A woman went into a pet shop.
Hi, I'd like to buy a parrot.
Here's our parrot selection.
Ooh.
We have several kinds, as you can see.
How much is the yellow one?
$2,000.
$2,000? Why so expensive?
Well, it's a very special parrot. It can type.
Well, all right. What about the green one?
The green one is $5,000.
$5,000? What does that one do?
Well, it's even more special. It can type, answer phones, and takes notes.
Oh, well, good grief. How about the red one?
The red one is $25 grand.
$25,000? What does that one do?
I don't know, but the other two call it boss.